Hey, it's Captain Keith with MarineMax, Jim McCown with Raymarine. I know a lot of you have asked about auto routing, and Raymarine is fully capable of doing that. There's just a couple things you have to have though. You have to have an active Navionics chart card, and your software's got to be up to date in your chart plotters.
For auto routing to work, one of the things that is critical for the system to know is how much water your boat draws, how wide it is, and how tall it is. Otherwise, it could be disaster when you get to the first bridge. We go out here to the home screen. I'm going to go settings, boat details, and the three factors are right here. So minimum safe height, minimum safe depth, minimum safe width. Just plug those in, whatever they are for your boat, and you're all set to go to use auto routing. So I'm going to go back out to our navigation chart and show you how it works. We can really do it with basically 2 touches. So here's our boat. We're in the intercoastal waterway. I'm just going to slide over a little bit.
I think there's a wreck down here somewhere.
Yeah, here it is, right off the edge of the screen. So I'm just going to press and hold, go to more options, auto route to here. It just lets me know that it's going to use a minimum safe depth of 4 feet. I'm going to say, okay, here we go. So the system is going to look at the chart, look at the depths, look at the bridges and heights and everything along the way. And it's going to plot a route for us, and we can follow it with our autopilot. We can just exit and look at it, which is what we're going to do at the moment, or we could delete it. But let's exit. And let's see what it did here. So it uses different icons along the route that it plotted just to kind of warn you what you might encounter along the way. It's always a good idea just to quickly double check the automatically plotted route, make sure it didn't do anything odd. But here it's just warning us that you're entering the ICW.
Correct.
Probably a warning here about the drawbridge at Hillsborough Inlet.
Right.
It can be a little narrow through here, so it gives you some cautionary marks. But then we get out to open water and we head out to our wreck. So it's a cool system. You can use it to go great distances with, very, very easily.
Very simple. And then if you don't want to have like those icons on there all the time, I'll tell people a lot of times, turn your tracks on when you're following that route. Then when you get to your end destination, then you want to just stop the track, save the track, name it, and then you can go back through and delete the route, which will end up deleting all those icons off of there, so you're going to end up with less clutter on the machine.
Sure can, yes.
So auto routing is great, but just make sure you've got everything up to date, and then it's just touch and go.
Simple as that.
Cool, it's great stuff. So Jim, they can get hold of you where?
The best place to check it out is www.raymarine.com.
And then of course MarineMax.com, and swing by one of your local MarineMax stores and check us out. See you guys out on the water.